my people, big up in the cell, man. Don't know the thing, no. New link there. Right about now, people. I want to look at dirty thinking boy, you know. Eh? Serious thing now. What would they look all scumbulonga, pungolonga boy, you know, people? Eh? That in Jamaica now. Who not stop growing and give themselves be a problem and be a trouble. You know what I mean? Because news are reach new link now, people, about the teacher man who the boy them slap down there, you boy them cut down there, you people. Up at Vauxhall High School, I'm not like me feel it, you know, people. Even though the teacher take one with him, but John know the teacher never deserve that, people. Because news are reach new link now, people, right? So this man and now, people, the Saturday, now the evening hours now, they are the gate, I lock up the gate and thing, because put in some things in my car and thing. You know what I mean? Because I go in, people. I go now. I'm the next brother there and I close up the gate and thing. When I look him, say, two boy come up to him, people. When you look the boy, pull a firearm. You understand? And beat one half a teacher bust back one, but the boy beat more people and not like shot connect pin a teacher and teacher connect one in the boy. The next boy run off, people. When them comes a boom now, I make a check, people, and people come and so I go and make a check. Them find the teacher suffering from gunshot wounds. Them find one of the boy now, people, suffering from gunshot wound also. Then comes a boom now and make a check in the place. The other boy run gone, them don't know when they don't know if him get shot or anything like that, people. But the saddest part about it now, people, the teacher never make it. And the greatest thing about it, people, they look all scumbalonga. Him get knocked. They recover a 9mm pistol that was an illegal one. The teacher was luckily a licensed firearm holder, people. But just sad for no, so the teacher get it and make it, people. That are the sad part about it. And them said this teacher was the husband, you understand, of a vice principal at the same school, the Vauxhall High School, people, and he was just 36 years old. Students, everybody are mourn the loss of the teacher because they must say the teacher never deserved this, and them don't know why this boy now, you know what I mean, come at the school for what reason and what them want to do. Big old sat there. Them dirty thinking boy and I want to go look work, but in the end, people them say the boy now, you know, is 19-year-old who did the shooting, and news are reach new links, so the boy is a dishwasher. You know what I mean? Dishwasher is a dishwasher. So at least the boy have want to work. And him still find himself gonna mix up in them thing there. You know what I mean? Still find himself gonna mix up in them something there. Where him have gone and gone bust shot off a teacher. You see them people? Eh? That's why me tell you, boy, me tell you. And Mr. Oles I go there and a joke saying we are afraid to put on the chair. I'm afraid to put on the electric table, everything. Eh? I'm afraid to tie the rope and make the board, hey. And then a joke thing, people. Me sick and tired of it now. The year just begun and the board them not play already. Eh? That's why I tell the people, man, I left me head back here this road, you know. Because you can't trust them nigga, yeah. You can't trust none of these niggas. Eh? You can't left your head back here this road and check your people because these niggas now people, them up on a different level. Different level. The man them, yo, only just sees and he knows, you know. You don't know a thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. But there, yeah, I'm going to give thanks to life as usual and on a daily basis because you don't know any whole link with people and boy, I feel it, you know what I mean? Teacher just gone like that star. But at the end, what are them on scumbalonga there? Gone done too. Is it? Yeah man, they are give thanks to life, boy. Sad seeing where people are on the last of Kobe Bryant. You know what I mean? And them other people, other family gone said we yo just sad people. Everybody me feel it for Panda plane crash, them daughter, everybody. You know what I mean? So again, me have to just send out my condolences man to the family and friends of everybody. Not just Kobe, everybody. It's sad people, everybody. It's a tragic way to go. And when they look on the plane, the captain turns and spins and just jump and just blow up and catch a fire like that. Oh my world, oh my precious newling. Me feel it, people. I mean, say the man worth over 500 million US dollar, you know, people. I saw me here, me don't know if it's true. I saw me here. So me I say, boy, you see it? Not even the money can save you at times when they come your way. That's why man on earth, I'm telling you every day, you know. That's a love. Love on the family, love on the brother, love on the sister, love everybody, show them love. Don't wait till them past and gone because them gone, them can't feel the love again. And then they cry, you think them know when they cry? Show the love on the man upon earth. So now tell New Link, so I love New Link. Tell New Link from now, don't wait till it's too late. Me want hear no. New Link will love you. New Link will respect you, New Link. And I can say yes. When me dead and you say I love you and start crying, you think me can say when you cry? Already a ball. So come on. Yes, them is some man a cry. Say Kobe gone, man, I cry. Yeah, water. And I see their family dead and they never cry. And I say, Kobe, where man they never seen a real life a ball. I say, me right to the whole Kuya. Boy, the man a different star, but you don't know a thing, go. Boy, people, we have to just live. You know what I mean? We have to just live. And get thanks every day because it's rough people. When me look at what, rough. Me even not cut my video right now because me don't say some more things, but New Link have to say something for later. So you don't know a thing, go. Attack them New Link, 242.